From the floor of the CME Group on Tuesday, March 15th. Boy, world events and what's going on in Japan has just have these markets all over the place. The jitters are out. Overall, top-notch trading was always looking for a correction. It's just a shame that news of disaster has led to this shake and bake kind of fallout and the nervousness of the market. And it just goes to show you what devastation and news-related events do to marketplaces. But to cut to the chase now, I have to get real quick here with the bonds. Last week, the June contract was looking for the 120.26 level. It was tested several times, but never saw it settle above that level. So far, though, today, there's a breakout above that level, and the first resistance was 122.20. Current high right now, 122.14, and now these things are taking a turn, which is bringing a bid back into these S&Ps and other index futures. So are we still acting inversely, or as some say, asset allocation? Yes, they are. They're not tick for tick, but other points of interest upward now in the June bond contract could see 123.25 and 125.27. Now, one important aspect right now in the S&P future. Last November, they consolidated after making New Year highs for the March contract, and right there at about the third, to the last day of November, they found a bottom at 63 even. And then when they opened on December 1st, it was no looking back, and these futures went all the way up, and the June contract found a 37.75 year contract highs. So you take the 63 even low with this 33.75 high, and what comes happen, excuse me, that's a 37.75 high. Half the move is 50.37.5. Anyhow, we have a key settle price in the June of 47.90. That was a special settle price for the June. We opened the next day. What was the regular session year low? 53.5. But here's the key, ladies and gentlemen. The key low in the mini was 50.75. I come here this morning, the Globex low is 51. Coincidence? I don't think so. It sure could be a double bottom right now. And if the SPOO has any legs today, they've already held a pivotal price of 55.60 with the 55.70 low. They're looking for a test of 72 and possibly all the way back up to 78.5 to 82 even. Well, it remains to be seen. Lots of thin activity, but one more important piece of information. Before last night, the all-time kind of volume that was ever seen in the S&P Mini was about 600,000. We come in before the open today, 1.1 million. Volume traded last night on Globex. That almost doubled the high that we've seen ever before. Watch out, ladies and gentlemen. The bid and offers are very thin. Nothing to kid and buy there. We'll see what happens next week. Key level now, 35.60 on the bottom in the S&P. Have a good day.